Can you really earn Bitcoin with Cointiply? My detailed video overview and see my payment proof for yourself. Yeah, hi, I'm Martin. I make videos about making money online so that you can actually make more money online. So let me know in the comments below where in the world you are watching this video, and also in the comments as well if you've got any sites or apps you want me to test and do a video about, then let me know in the comments. Let's go through Cointiply and find out exactly how you can earn Bitcoin and pull it out. So as you can see here, Cointiply has paid out over $12 million in Bitcoin. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. Okay, so we've come inside my account here, and as you can see, I've actually earned 165,000 coins, and I'm going to be showing you at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned right to the end, how you're going to easily pull those out into your Bitcoin account. So before we do that, let's just show you how easy it is to actually go and earn these coins. So from your dashboard, all you need to do is come over to earn coins here. As you can see, there's loads of different ways that you can actually earn coins. So the easiest way I find is roll the facet. This is so easy and really takes no time at all. All you have to do is click on roll and win. You fill in the captcha, and what it does is just randomly chooses a number and then tells you you've won so many coins. I've won 25 coins just by doing that. And as you can see here, you could win. The jackpot was currently 530,000 points. And also in various different amounts, 41 coins, 81 coins, 150 or 320 coins. And as you can see here, the clock started again, and in 59 minutes, I can do this all over again. So if you leave your desktop open or your mobile open at work, you could even just do this every hour, and then you will get even more coins. Such an easy way to earn coins. And there are various other easy ways, and I'm just going to go through a few of them here. And the second one is where you view PTC ads. And again, so easy to do. You've just got to watch this ad for 5 seconds. You're going to earn 6 coins. Just open up the ad, and as you can see here, the seconds are going down. And it says ad view complete here. We click across, and then we just have to select the thing it says to click. We want to click this fish, and we are good, done. Boom. So again, we just earned some more. And as you can see, you can do loads of these in one day, and they're not all small amounts of coins. Sometimes they are 20, 30. This is 17 coins here. This takes just a few seconds to do, and you end up getting quite a few coins. Now, other ways that you can earn coins is you can play the multiplier. And this is so easy to do. All you have to do is say how many coins you want to wager. So I'm just going to do 10 coins for this. In fact, I'll do 100, and then we just start round. So all you have to do is click start round, and this, all you do is choose random things. As you can see here, the next multiplier is 2 times. So we click on there. Just won 140 coins on my wager of 100. And then 210 coins. And then if you want to, you can take the win. You can carry on going, but obviously if you hit one and it bombs out, then obviously you lose your 100 coins. But I'm going to take that win. And that means I've earned another 200 coins just like that. How quick is that? Now you can come out of this one. Let's go and check out even more ways to go and earn. The normal ways, you can obviously play games. You can actually refer other people as well. You can redeem promo codes. So if you follow Cointiply on Twitter and Facebook, they will give you promo codes from time to time. And all you do is put the promo code in. And again, you will actually get bonus points, bonus coins. There's Cointiply actual quest bonuses. This tells you if you've had any bonuses as well. Now, obviously, I've collected my free daily coins in the facet. Yes, I've claimed that. I've viewed a PCT ad, so I've claimed that. And these are other ones you could do. So redeem a promo code, view 20 PC ads, a chat in the rain pool. Now, all you have to do is go and chat in their open chat with other users. It's as simple as that. So you've got a chance of winning that rain pool then when you do that. And also, if you do that on a daily basis, you're going to get 80 coins just for doing that. Now, again, there are other things here. You could complete an offer or a survey. You can view up to 60 PCT ads, redeem 3 promo codes, etc. And the list goes on and on and on. And the more coins you earn. Look, this one, purchase a PCT ad, you can get 960 coins. And like I say, they've got offers, complete surveys, install mobile apps, watch videos, and obviously you can download the Cointiply Android app to do it on your phone as well. They will give you some coins just for doing that, but obviously mine have already been given because I've done it ages ago. In the next part, we're going to actually show you how easy it is once you've got some coins that you can then pull these out in Bitcoin to your Bitcoin wallet. Now you've got to remember, with any sites like this, with the Cointiply sites or any get paid to sites, you're only going to get paid a very small amount of money. So you're not going to make a full-time living at this, but remember, if you actually join quite a few of these sites, then obviously you could earn Bitcoin, quite a lot of Bitcoin and quite a lot of cash by doing this, and which will boost your monthly income. If you want to know what I do to earn even more money on a daily basis, then make sure you stay tuned right to the end of this video. I'm going to be giving you away some free stuff that you can actually go and start earning as well if you want to. Okay, so now we've come across and we're going to show you how you're going to redeem these coins. So what you need to come to, so if we come across to our account here, and you see you've got to drop down and it says withdraw. Now it says here you can withdraw to your Bitcoin wallet, a Dodge wallet, Dash wallet, Litecoin wallet. Okay, so I'm going to do with my Bitcoin wallet. Now it says here the amount you can actually withdraw. The minimum is 50,000 coins. So I'm going to withdraw 65,000 coins, which will still leave me 100,000 coins in there. Now what you do is get to a Bitcoin wallet. Now the way I would do this, I would go to a place called Coinbase. You can join for free, and then once you've joined and put in your details here, as you can see I've got a small balance of Bitcoin in here, you can come across to where it says send and receive. So we obviously want to receive, and then this will be your Bitcoin address wallet. Okay, so you literally, so all you need to do is copy this here. You just copy and paste your address into the bar here, and then all you do is hit withdraw. It says here confirm your withdrawal request, and said yes, I want to withdraw now. It says here your withdrawal has been submitted, you must approve it via email. So if we whiz across to the email, and it says action required, confirm and approve this. So that's all you do, and as it says here now, approve payment, verification code is there, approve my payment. So in a very short period of time, this will then come across to my Coinbase wallet here. It does take a few minutes to actually do that. That's how easy it is to actually earn Bitcoin with Cointiply and obviously withdraw it out to your Coinbase account. Now I promised you obviously a freebie at the end of this, so if you are interested in obviously learning what I do, and I do affiliate marketing, which actually gets me more income every day than obviously doing some of the sites like this. I'm giving away my free affiliate profit formula that you can actually get for free, and I also got a support group where you can ask any questions you like about making money online. Just check out the first link in the description below here, where you can go and grab that and then follow the videos. It will give you the steps to take and also give you the link to the free community that I have. I hope you found this useful and interesting. If you did, obviously check out the next video here. And also, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and you'll get notified every time we make a new video. That's it for today. We will see you on the next video.